Welcome to this tutorial on AWS budgets and setting cost alerts. In this video, you'll learn how to create budget alerts and notifications to proactively monitor your AWS spending. This is an essential skill for anyone managing cloud infrastructure, as it helps prevent unexpected charges and keeps your spending under control. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up comprehensive cost monitoring for your AWS account. AWS Budgets is a powerful cost management tool that helps you track and control your cloud spending. First, it provides cost tracking capabilities, allowing you to monitor your AWS spending against custom thresholds and forecasted amounts. Second, it offers smart alerts that notify you when costs exceed or approach your defined limits. Third, you can configure automated actions, such as triggering IAM policy restrictions when thresholds are breached. Finally, AWS Budgets enables usage monitoring, letting you track service usage, reservations, and savings plans alongside your costs. This comprehensive approach gives you complete visibility and control over your AWS expenditures. Let's walk through how to access AWS Budgets in your account. Start by signing into the AWS Management Console with your credentials. Next, navigate to AWS Billing and Cost Management from the Services menu. Once you're in the Billing and Cost Management dashboard, select Budgets from the left navigation menu. Finally, click the Create Budget button to begin setting up your first budget. This straightforward process takes just a few clicks and gets you ready to configure your cost alerts. AWS Budgets offers 4 distinct budget types to match your monitoring needs. The cost budget tracks your total spending across all AWS services, making it ideal for overall cost control. The usage budget monitors specific service, usage metrics, and units, perfect for tracking consumption of particular resources. The reservation budget helps you track reserved instance utilization and coverage, ensuring you're getting value from your commitments. Finally, the savings plans budget monitors your savings plans utilization and coverage rates. For most users starting out, a cost budget is the best choice as it provides comprehensive spending oversight. Now let's configure the essential details for your budget. First, provide a budget name that serves as a unique identifier, something descriptive like monthly production budget or development environment budget. Next, select your period, choosing between monthly, quarterly, or annual tracking based on your planning cycle. Then, set your budget amount, which can be either a fixed dollar amount or a planned budget based on historical spending. Finally, define the scope of your budget by filtering it to specific services, cost allocation tags, or accounts. This flexibility allows you to create targeted budgets that align with your organizational structure. Alert thresholds are critical for receiving timely notifications about your spending. AWS Budgets offers 2 threshold types. The first is actual cost alerts, which notify you when your spending reaches a specific dollar amount or percentage of your budget. For example, you might set an alert at 80% of a $1,000 budget. The second type is forecasted cost alerts, which are even more proactive. These alerts notify you when AWS projects that your spending will exceed your budget threshold. For instance, if the system forecasts you'll exceed $1,200 by month end, you'll receive an early warning. Using both threshold types together provides comprehensive cost monitoring. AWS Budgets provides multiple ways to receive alert notifications. The simplest option is email notifications, where you can enter up to 10 email addresses to receive alerts when thresholds are exceeded. For more advanced integrations, you can use Amazon SNS topics, which allow you to connect your budget alerts to SNS for integration with chat applications, SMS messaging, or Lambda functions for automated responses. Additionally, a AWS chatbot enables you to receive alerts directly in your Slack channels or Amazon Chime rooms, keeping your entire team informed in real time. Choose the notification method that best fits your team's workflow and communication preferences. Let's review some best practices to maximize the effectiveness of your budget alerts. First, implement multiple thresholds by setting alerts at 50%, 80%, and 100% of your budget. This provides progressive warnings as spending increases. Second, use tags to create budgets per project, team, or environment using cost allocation tags. This granular approach helps you identify which areas are driving costs. Third, conduct regular reviews by monitoring your budget performance monthly and adjusting thresholds as your needs change. Finally, configure budget actions to set up automated responses that prevent cost overruns immediately when thresholds are breached. Following these practices will help you maintain tight control over your AWS spending and avoid surprises on your bill.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.